Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 3 of our massive 500 English Phrasal Verbs series. I'm Maya, your guide through the jungle of English grammar, and with me is the man who is slowly but surely becoming a phrasal verb master, Alex.
A master? Maybe a junior apprentice, Maya. But I have to tell you, since our last session, I've been looking out for phrasal verbs everywhere. I watched a movie last night and I think I counted 50 of them. My brain is officially tuned in.
That's exactly what happens. Once you learn the logic, you can't stop hearing them. It's like getting a new pair of glasses. Today, we are going to cover verbs that help you talk about your health, your clothes, and how you deal with difficult people.
Dealing with difficult people? Oh, I definitely need those. I have a neighbor who talks for 3 hours every time I see him. Do we have a verb for please stop talking?
We have cut off or shut up, but maybe those are too rude for a neighbor. Let's see what's on our list today. Are you ready for verb number 41?
Ready as I'll ever be. Let's do this.
41. Look up. Now, obviously, it can mean to look at the ceiling, but in English conversation, it means to search for information in a book, a map, or on the internet.
Oh, so if I don't know the meaning of a word, I look it up in a dictionary.
Exactly. I need to look up the bus schedule. It's about finding a specific fact. But wait, there's another very common meaning when a situation is getting better.
Like the economy or my grades?
Yes, business was slow last month, but things are finally starting to look up. It means the future is looking brighter.
I like that. So I look up the word and then my life starts to look up. Perfect.
Number 42 is a big one. Make up. This one is like a Swiss Army knife. It does everything. The first meaning is to invent a story or a lie.
Like when I was late for work and I made up a story about an escaped elephant blocking the road?
Exactly. He made up an excuse for missing the party. The second meaning is about friendship. If you have a fight with someone and then you say sorry and become friends again, you make up.
Oh, I've heard that. Kiss and make up. And what about the stuff people put on their faces?
Yes, that's the noun version, makeup. And one more. It means to constitute or form something. 10 chapters make up this book. It's a very busy verb, isn't it? Number 43 is pass away. This is a gentle one. This is a polite way to say that someone has died.
Yeah, died sounds a bit harsh sometimes. So we say my grandfather passed away last year.
Exactly. It's more respectful and soft. In English, we call this a euphemism, a nicer way of saying something sad. Number 44 is pass out. We actually touched on this before, but it's so common it deserves its own spot. Remember the two meanings?
Yes, one is fainting because it's too hot, and the other is giving things to people, like the teacher passed out the worksheets.
Perfect. Just remember, if you drink too much at a party and fall asleep on the floor, people will say you passed out. It's not just for fainting. It's for any time you lose consciousness or fall into a very deep sleep suddenly. Number 45 is pick out. This is what you do when you are at a store and you have to choose one thing from many.
Like picking out a shirt to wear for a date?
Exactly. To pick out means to choose or select. Can you help me pick out a gift for my mom? It can also mean to recognize someone in a crowd. I managed to pick out my brother in this sea of people at the stadium.
Maya, we're only 5 verbs in, and I already feel like my vocabulary is becoming more professional, especially make up. I didn't realize it had so many uses.
That's the beauty of it, Alex. One phrasal verb can replace 5 different words. It makes your speech flow much faster. Ready to keep going?
I'm not passing out yet. Let's move to the next set. Maya, I was just thinking, my closet is a mess. I have clothes I haven't worn in years, and every morning it's a struggle. Is there a phrasal verb for my life is a mess?
Well, we have falling apart from the last episode, but for your closet, we need some specific action verbs. Let's look at number 46, point out. Number 46, point out. Imagine you're wearing a shirt and I notice there's a huge coffee stain on it. If I tell you about it, I am pointing it out.
So it means to call someone's attention to a specific fact or mistake?
Exactly. I'd like to point out that we are 10 minutes late. It's like using your finger to point at a piece of information so the other person sees it. It's very useful in meetings or when you're explaining something.
I hope you don't point out all my grammar mistakes today, Maya. I'm sensitive.
I'll try to be gentle. Number 47 is perfect for your messy closet. Put away. This means to return something to its proper place after you've used it.
Oh, my mom used to yell this at me every day. Alex, put away your toys.
Exactly. After you finish the laundry, you need to put away your clothes. It's about being organized. It can also mean to save money. She puts away $200 every month for her vacation.
So I put away my shoes in the closet and I put away money in the bank. I like that. It's all about storing things for later.
Number 48 is very common. Put on. This is what you do with clothes, glasses, or even makeup.
I know this. I put on my jacket because it's cold.
Right, but it has a funny second meaning too, to trick someone by joking. If I tell you I just won the lottery and you believe me, I might say, relax, I'm just putting you on.
So putting someone on is like kidding? You're putting me on, right? You didn't really meet the president.
Perfect. It's a very natural, slangy way to say, you're joking with me. Number 49 is a big one for relationships. Put up with. This means to tolerate or accept something or someone that is annoying or unpleasant.
Oh, like how you put up with my endless questions?
Exactly. I don't know how she puts up with that noisy neighbor. It's when you don't like a situation, but you stay in it anyway without complaining too much.
I have to put up with slow internet at my house. It's so frustrating, but I can't change the provider. It's a tough verb for a tough situation.
And verb number 50, halfway through this episode, is run into. This isn't about a car crash, although it can be. Usually it means to meet someone by chance.
Like when I'm at the grocery store and I see an old friend from high school.
Yes. Guess who I ran into today at the mall? It's an unexpected meeting. It can also mean to experience a problem. We ran into some trouble with the new software.
So I ran into a friend and then we ran into a problem because we forgot our wallets. That sounds like a typical Tuesday for me. Alex, we've hit 50. That's a big number. My notebook is starting to look like a real dictionary. I'm putting a lot of knowledge away today.
You really are. And notice how put is such a powerful verb. Put on, put away, put up with, they all have completely different meanings. That's why phrasal verbs are so important.
It's like the verb put is a chameleon. It changes color depending on who it's hanging out with.
I love that. Let's keep moving. The next set of verbs will help us talk about starting businesses, finishing tasks, and even how we move through space.
Maya, I've been thinking. I have so many ideas for new hobbies, starting a podcast, learning to cook, maybe even starting a small business. But I always get stuck at the beginning. Is there a phrasal verb for that?
Actually, there is a perfect one. It's number 51 on our master list. Set up.
51. Set up.
To set up means to organize or establish something. If you start a business, you set it up. If you buy a new computer and connect all the wires, you are setting it up.
Oh, so it's like preparation and starting combined. I need to set up a meeting for tomorrow morning.
Exactly. But watch out, Alex. It has a sneaky meaning too. If someone tricks you to make you look guilty of a crime, they set you up, like in those detective movies.
Wait, so I could set up a tent for camping, or my enemy could set me up to get me arrested? That's a huge difference.
Hopefully you only do the camping version. Number 52 is show off. We all know someone who does this. It means to act in a way that attracts attention to your skills, wealth, or looks.
Like that guy at the gym who lifts huge weights only when people are watching?
Exactly. He is showing off. Stop showing off your new iPhone. We know it's cool. It's usually a bit negative, but you can also use it for kids in a cute way, like she wanted to show off her new drawing to her parents.
Got it. I try not to show off, but sometimes my English is so good thanks to you that I can't help it.
I'll allow it. Number 53 is every tired person's favorite, sleep in. This means to sleep longer than usual, especially because you don't have to go to work or school.
Oh, I am a professional at sleeping in. On Saturdays, I don't wake up until noon.
That is a serious sleep in. It's different from oversleeping. Oversleeping is an accident, you're late, but sleeping in is a choice. I love to sleep in on rainy mornings.
Ah, so sleeping in is a luxury, but oversleeping is a disaster. Good to know.
Number 54 is sort out. This is very British but used globally. It means to solve a problem or organize a messy situation.
Like, we had a misunderstanding about the bill, but we sorted it out.
Perfect. It's about bringing order to chaos. If your travel plans are a mess, you need to sort them out. It's very satisfying when a problem is finally sorted.
I need to sort out my taxes. I've been putting them off for weeks.
Number 55 is take off. This is another multi-tool verb. The most common meaning is for airplanes leaving the ground.
And the second meaning, is it about clothes?
Yes, it was hot, so I took off my jacket. But there's a third one for success. If a business suddenly becomes very successful, we say it takes off. Her career really took off after she moved to London.
So the plane takes off, my shoes take off, and my YouTube channel takes off. I love the energy of this verb. Alex, we're at 55. I'm setting up my brain for the final stretch. I'm not going to sleep in tomorrow. I'm going to wake up and sort out all these notes.
That's the spirit. You're not just learning words, you're learning how to describe the action of life. We have 5 more verbs to hit 60 and finish this episode.
I'm ready. I'm not going to show off, but I think I'm becoming quite the expert.
I agree. Let's jump into the final 5.
Part 4, final sprint and wrapping up. Verbs 55 through 60. Maya, 55 verbs. I feel like I've just finished a workout at the gym, but for my brain. I'm ready to cross the finish line for today. What are the last 5 for this episode?
I love the energy, Alex. You're not dropping back at all. Let's dive into number 56, tell off. 56, tell off. Have you ever done something wrong and your boss or your parents spoke to you very angrily about it?
Oh, plenty of times. Like when I broke my neighbor's window with a ball when I was a kid.
In that case, your neighbor probably told you off. To tell someone off means to speak angrily to someone because they did something wrong. It's a verbal scolding.
Ah, so it's more than just talking. It's like a punishment with words. My teacher told me off for being late again. I hope you don't tell me off if I forget a verb tomorrow.
57, throw away. Number 57 is throw away. This is literal but very common. It means to put something in the garbage because you don't want it anymore.
Simple enough. I need to throw away these old magazines. But can it be used for opportunities?
Great catch, yes. If you have a great chance to succeed but you waste it, you throw it away. Don't throw away your chance to study abroad just because you're nervous.
So I throw away my trash, but I should never throw away a good opportunity. Got it.
58, try on. Number 58 is for when you go shopping. Try on. Alex, do you just buy clothes without checking if they fit?
Never. I always try them on in the fitting room first. I don't want to buy a shirt that is 2 sizes too small.
Exactly. To try on means to put on a piece of clothing to see if it fits or if it looks good. I'm going to try on this blue jacket. 59, turn down. This has 2 meanings you'll use every day. The first is about volume. The music is too loud. Please turn it down.
And the second one, is it about a bed?
That's turn down the sheets, but more commonly, it means to refuse an offer or an invitation. She turned down the job offer because the salary was too low.
Oh, so if I ask someone on a date and they say no, they turned me down. That's a bit sad, Maya.
It is, but it's a very common way to say no politely or professionally. 60, use up. And finally, number 60 is use up. This means to use all of something so that nothing is left.
Like when I use up all the milk and forget to buy more.
Exactly. We used up all the flour making pancakes. Or I've used up all my data for this month. It means the supply is now 0.
The grand recap of episode 3.
We did it, Alex. Verbs 41 through 60 are in the books. Let's do a lightning recap for our listeners before we close the class.
Here we go. 41, look up info. 42, make up a story. 43, pass away, to die. 44, pass out, faint or distribute. 45, pick out a shirt. 46, point out a mistake. 47, put away your toys. 48, put on a hat. 49, put up with noise. 50, run into a friend. 51, set up a business. 52, show off your skills. 53. Sleep in on Sunday. 54. Sort out a problem. 55. Take off your shoes. 56. Tell off a naughty kid. 57. Throw away trash. 58. Try on jeans. 59. Turn down an offer. And 60. Use up the battery.
Amazing job, Alex. And to all our students watching, we have officially finished the first 60 verbs of our 500 verb masterclass. We are making serious progress.
I'm feeling like a new person, Maya, but man, I think I've used up all my brain power for today. Guys, if you're still with us, you are awesome. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next 20 verbs.
Yes, like this video to show us some love and share it with your friends. Learning is better together. We don't want you to throw away this opportunity to become fluent.
Don't put off your practice. Comment below using one of the verbs from 41 to 60. Maya will point out if you got it right.
Haha, I will. That is all for today's class. We will see you in the next video where we cover verbs 61 through 80. Until then, take care and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and get some snacks now.
Bye.